Ever felt nervous about changing your newborn baby's diaper for the first time? I can honestly tell you, it's a fulfilling experience. It's a common concern shared by many new parents. The thought of navigating this uncharted territory can be quite daunting, but fear not. It's a simple process, and like most things in life, once you get the hang of it, it becomes second nature. This video will gently guide you through each step, ensuring you feel confident, capable, and ready to tackle this new parenting task. So without further ado, here is your guide to changing a baby safely. First things first, gather all your supplies. Ensuring you have everything at arm's reach is key to a smooth and safe diaper change. So what are the essentials? A clean diaper naturally is top of the list. Next, you'll need baby wipes. Gentle and unscented are a good choice for your baby's delicate skin. A rash cream or ointment is another must-have to protect against diaper rash. And last but not least, a changing pad. This will provide a comfortable and clean surface for your little one. Why is it important to have everything ready beforehand? Well, it's simple. Once you start changing your baby, it's crucial that you never leave them unattended, not even for a second. Having all your supplies within reach ensures you can keep one hand on your baby at all times, maintaining their safety throughout the process. Now that you're ready, let's move on to the next step. With your supplies at hand, you're ready to change your baby. Start by gently removing the dirty diaper. Remember, it's a delicate task, so take your time to ensure your baby's comfort. Next, grab a baby wipe and clean your baby's bottom. It's crucial to clean from front to back to prevent any infections. If you notice any signs of diaper rash, don't worry. It's a common occurrence with newborns. Simply apply a thin layer of rash cream to the affected area. Now, it's time for the new diaper. Slide it under your baby, making sure the tabs are on the side closest to you. Pull the front of the diaper up between your baby's legs and fasten it snugly, but not too tight. You should be able to fit 2 fingers between the diaper and your baby's belly. And there you have it, a clean and happy baby. Changing a baby might seem daunting at first, but with a little practice it becomes second nature. We've gone through the preparation phase, ensuring all necessary items are at hand. We've also walked through the process of the change, step by step, demonstrating how to safely and efficiently tackle this task. If ever in doubt, you can always revisit this guide. Remember, each baby is unique, so don't worry if you need to adjust your technique. With patience and love, you'll master this essential parenting skill in no time.